Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a working refinery, stable power, conveyors, and a source of ore. Place ore directly into the refinery inventory or use a conveyor sorter to funnel specific ore types. Once done, open the refinery UI and set the processing mode to convert ore into ingots. Make sure to enable specific overrides for valuable ores so you don't waste time refining low-value material. This first step gets raw materials moving and prevents bottlenecks before scaling up. You now focus on continuous processing. Design a conveyor loop with sorters and storage to buffer ore, giving refineries steady input rather than bursts. Connect multiple refineries and route ingots to assemblers or storage. This balances output and prevents assembler starvation. Once your conveyor network is stable, tweak refinery counts to match assembler consumption and watch power use closely, because refining creates spikes. Make sure to add batteries or a capacitor bank so refining doesn't stall during peak demand. You finish by routing refined ingots to assemblers or designated storage and verifying conveyor connections and ownership so blocks can transfer. Once done, automate thresholds. Set sensors or scripts to start refineries when ore exceeds a set mass and stop when storage is full. This saves power. If something breaks, inspect inventory filters, ownership on conveyors or connectors, and power availability first. Most failures are misconfigured filters or insufficient power. Fix those and restart the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.